don't know if you'll fit on that, Roku.
On this rock. You go.
Don't do that. What? You said you want to go on there.
So much fun now.
Hey Baba, what's going on? You want to do a poo? Mizu's being independent.
I'm just afraid of heights and I see down, so I'm gonna move myself.
Wow. What's it say?
Boomy's trying to get in touch with his ancient people.
Roots.
Ancient roots.
What are they doing down there? Pabu, he's in the tree.
We're sure having so much fun.
Yeah.
What is in there? What is in there? Oh my god, what is in there? Oh my god, something's in there. Something's in there. Yes.
It's derp derp.
Derp derp and derp derp derp. Oh!
No.
No.
Good girl.
Bomb dive. The two of them are down there. Probably because there's no
Hi.
here. Yeah. There's Nico's here. Boomy, you're actually kind of choking me.
Yeah, I thought they were.
I'm really hungry, so we're gonna eat together. Come. We're gonna eat together.
Mizu, come on.
Where's your girlfriend?
With like lying around. So then he
What you doing, Karen?
what 30-40 meters tall tree on a very top on a leaf
To move it, but it's lightweight.
Mm. What you doing, Karen?
Fly boom boom. Nico's on me, quick.
at the moment
Good boy. Good man.
I found
That
out
was
the
a good
perfect
fly.
amount of hunger he
I'll take it. It's fine. Mine now. Fine.
Oh, do you using that clip? Are you sure?
Yeah, yeah. Cool. Yeah, I think so. Where's your girlfriend? Taken off again. Well, what's that?
somewhere.
Yeah, and they're really funny, but they're so active and you sort of sit down and
The males is so
without
chill.
them like going everywhere in your mouth.
Yeah. Yeah, I always had females like all my life, and only in the last few years I got a female. And they're just so cute and cuddly. I harness train
Karen.
them. You just walk them. It's so cute.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, with my females, I tried the harness because they kept getting out of it, but he just.
They just won't run, but the females will take off and like play games.
But I have one female, and she's only a couple months. She's 4 months old. So playful.
What are you doing? Wow. Cool. Good boy. Pabo, yay. Good boy.